Hello everyone! Join me here. Let's draw something fun and colorful. A beach ball. Grab your pencils and let's dive into this creative adventure. Have you ever played with a beach ball? Where did you play? At the beach or in the backyard? Beach balls are super light, so they float on water, perfect for pool games. Most beach balls have 6 panels in different bright colors. What's your favorite color for a beach ball? They're usually made of soft plastic, making them easy to carry and bounce. Fantastic! Look at that awesome beach ball! Now we're moving on to the fun part, coloring. Let's use our favorite colors and make each panel unique. Beach balls are used in concerts and events for crowd games. They come in all sizes, from tiny ones for pets to giant ones for group fun. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. You can play so many games with a beach ball, like volleyball or just tossing it in the air. Did you know beach balls have inspired toys, decorations, and even desserts? Beach balls are a symbol of summer fun and relaxation. Do you think our beach ball would bounce higher on the sand or in the water? Do you think our beach ball would look cool with a face? A happy one or a silly one? So nice! Our beach ball looks amazing. It's so bright and fun. I bet it's ready for a big summer adventure. I'm so grateful that you drew with me today. I'll see you soon.